Before I say anything, just look at this. Over $10,000 in just 7 days. And I'm telling you right now, I didn't get here by luck. I used to treat dropshipping like a hustle, testing random products, copying ad styles, just hoping something would hit. But I wasn't building, I was gambling. And what I didn't realize is that approach is why I stayed stuck. Most people do the exact same thing, spinning their wheels, spending months testing, and then wondering why nothing scales. But there's a line that changes everything, and it's not your first sale or even $5,000 a month. It's $10,000. That's the point where dropshipping stops being a game of luck and starts moving like a real brand. Because once you cross that line, you don't just make more, you think, operate, and scale differently. But here's the catch. If you don't understand how that shift works, you're gonna end up wasting months or years stuck in that same loop. So in this video, I'm gonna break down how everything changes after $10,000 with dropshipping. And I'll even show you how to get a shot of winning up to $100,000 right now through my auto ecom challenge. For decades, people believed it was physically impossible to run a mile in under 4 minutes. Coaches, doctors, and even scientists said that the human body just couldn't do it. Then a regular guy named Roger Bannister broke it in 1954. He wasn't a professional athlete. He was actually a medical student with a day job, squeezing in runs during his lunch break. And yet, he did what the entire world said was impossible. He ran a mile in 3 minutes and 59 seconds. But here's the craziest part. Within 2 years, dozens of other runners broke the same barrier. So what changed? Well, it wasn't their training, not their genetics, it was their belief. That's exactly what happens when you make your first $10,000 with dropshipping. It's at that point, it's not just a milestone. It's a mental unlock where you go from hoping to knowing, from trying to building. And then in that moment, you realize that this business actually works, and not just for other people, it actually works for you. I remember when I hit my first $10,000 month, I sat there refreshing my Shopify dashboard over and over, thinking that it had to be some type of glitch. Just months before, I was stocking wine bottles for $1,200 a month. So $10,000, that was almost a full year of work, all in 1 month. But once I saw that number, actually saw it hit my account, it rewired everything. $100 a day started to feel normal. $500 didn't feel crazy anymore. And I stopped asking, does this even work? And I started asking, how far can I really scale this? That's the shift, where you stop thinking like a side hustler and you start operating like a real brand. But here's where most people mess up. They end up hitting $10,000 once, celebrate way too early, and end up losing momentum. The ones who scale, they treat 10,000 as a proof of concept and then use it to build something bigger. Because once you've done it, the question isn't can I? It's why not 25K? Why not 50K? And that belief, it leads straight into the second transformation, what actually changes in how you operate once you hit that level. Let's go ahead and break that down. You see, before 10,000, you're essentially running a chaotic experiment. You're testing products blindly, guessing at ad creatives, second guessing every decision, and honestly just throwing stuff at the wall to see what sticks. But after 10,000, something fundamental changes in how you approach the business. You stop being a hustler and you start becoming a systems builder. Here's what I mean. Pre-10K AC, I was manually fulfilling every order. I was writing every ad from scratch, and I was constantly stressed about whether the next product would work. I was trapped in the day-to-day operations, working 12-hour days just to keep the machine running. Post 10K AC realized that if I wanted to scale beyond where I was, I couldn't do everything myself. So that's when I started focusing on systems, automation, outsourcing, retargeting campaigns, customer lifetime value optimization. The business became less manual and more strategic. So instead of asking, how do I get my next sale? I started asking, how do I build systems that would generate sales while I sleep? This is when we start implementing things like email marketing sequences that automatically nurture customers and drive repeat purchases, customer service automation that handles 80% of inquiries without your involvement, and inventory management systems that predict demand and prevent stockouts, and so on and so forth. You realize that you can't grow on hustle alone. You need systems that work without you. I see this shift happen with my mentorship students all the time. The ones stuck below 10K are constantly in firefighting mode, dealing with one crisis after another. But the ones who break through that barrier, they start thinking like CEOs instead of employees. They begin delegating tasks, investing in tools and team members, and building processes that can handle 10x their current volume. Because they understand something crucial. Your business needs to be able to run without you if you ever want true freedom. This system shift also changes how you view expenses. Pre-10K, every $50 tool feels like a huge investment. Post-10K, you understand that the right $500 tool can save you 10 hours a week, which is worth far more than the cost. Where you stop thinking like someone who's trying to save money and you start thinking like someone who's trying to make money. And that mindset shift alone, that can 10x your growth rate. Now let's talk about what 10K actually does for your lifestyle, because this is where the real magic happens. 10K gives you breathing room. For the first time since starting your business, you're not panicking about whether you can pay rent next month. You can reinvest in your business without risking your ability to eat. You can hire a virtual assistant without staying awake at night worried about the expense. But more importantly than all of that, 10K gives you choice. And choice is the foundation of freedom. When I was making $7.35 an hour, I had zero choices. I had to take whatever schedule they gave me, deal with whatever customers walked through that door, and accept whatever annual raise that they decided that I deserved, which was usually nothing. But when my dropshipping business hit 10K per month, something shifted. Suddenly, I could walk away from my day job. Not because I was rich, but because I was no longer broke. And I remember that exact moment that this hit me. My ex-manager at the wine company was telling me that I needed to work overtime on a weekend when I had planned to focus on my business. Old me would have said, yes, sir, and sacrificed my dreams for the convenience. But new me, I looked at my phone and I saw that I had $400 of sales that morning. And I realized that I didn't have to say yes anymore. I had options. That's what 10K truly gives you. Options, where you can reduce your hours at your day job instead of quitting cold turkey. You can take calculated risk because you have a safety net. You can invest in your education, your health, your relationships, because you're not constantly stressed about money. But here's what I really want you to understand. 10K doesn't just change your bank account, it changes your nervous system. Before 10K, I was in constant fight or flight mode. Every expense was a threat. Every slow sales day felt like the end of the world. And I was making decisions from a place of fear and scarcity. But after 10K, I started sleeping better, thinking clearer, making decisions from a place of abundance instead of desperation. I quickly stopped chasing get-rich-quick schemes because I already had something that was working. This emotional freedom is honestly more valuable than the money itself. When you're not constantly stressed about survival, you can then focus on growth. When you're not making decisions from desperation, you can make better decisions. But here's the thing. Achieving this level of freedom and breaking through to 10K isn't just about working harder. It's about having the right systems and, crucially, the funding to scale when you find what works. Most people stay stuck below 10K because they're caught in the rat race, exhausted from trading time for a paycheck and left with scraps to invest in their own business. And while you're drained from working all day, others with better tools and bigger budgets are sprinting way past you. But that's exactly why I created the Auto Ecom $100,000 Challenge. We launched it to level the playing field and to prove that this new era of dropshipping with AI, this is the new shift. The day the challenge went live, we used the exact same AI store builder that you'll get access to and built a brand new store from scratch, right alongside everyone else. And the $10,000 plus results I showed you earlier, it came from that same store. And yes, this challenge does give you the chance of winning up to $100,000. But this isn't just money that you can spend on ads or tools. It's your freedom. It's your way out. Your chance to quit and go all in on what's yours. But it only goes to the ones who show up. So to take advantage of this, click the link in the description below to learn more about the Auto Ecom $100,000 Challenge. And now, let's get into the most important shift that happens after $10,000, which is momentum. Because here's something that most people don't understand about scaling their dropshipping business. Going from $0 to $10,000 is actually harder than going from $10,000 to $50,000. And I know that sounds backwards, but let me explain why. When you're starting from zero, everything is a guess. You don't know which products will work, which audiences will convert, and which ad creatives will perform. You're essentially throwing darts blindfolded and just hoping you hit something. But once you hit 10K, you have data. Real, actionable data about what works and what doesn't. Because remember, content is king and data is queen. And once you gather that data, you know which products that your customers actually want. You have proven ad creatives that convert in real time. And you understand your customer avatar. You have full email list of buyers, not just tire kickers. All of this data starts working for you, creating what I call compounding momentum. Let me give you a real example. When I first started testing products, I might run ads to a cold audience and hope for the best. And maybe 1 in 20 of these audiences would be profitable. And even then, I still struggle to scale because I didn't have any supporting data. But after hitting that 10K, here's what changed. I had retargeting audiences full of people who had already bought from me. I had lookalike audiences based off of actual purchases. And I had email lists that I could use to validate products before spending money on ads at all. So even when I launched a new product on these stores, I could email my list first to gauge interest. And if it got good engagement, I then knew I had a winner before spending a single dollar on Facebook ads. Then from there, I could run ads to my retargeting audiences, which converted at 3 to 4 times higher rates than cold traffic. Let me just say, the compound effect is incredible. Your customer acquisition cost goes down while your average order value goes up. Your conversion rates improve because you understand your audience better, and your ad account gets better data, which makes the algorithm even more effective for you. It's like rolling a snowball down a hill. At first, it's just a small ball of snow moving slowly, but as it picks up more snow, it gets bigger and faster, until eventually it becomes an unstoppable force. That's what happens to your business after 10K. All the systems, data, and momentum that you built start then working together to accelerate your growth even faster. And if you want to see exactly what that looks like, I'm going to challenge myself in real time to make it $1 million in 6 months from scratch, documenting everything from this new store. I'm talking the full store breakdown, product setup, ads, everything. And if you want to come along this journey with me, and I drop videos showcasing the ins and out of the store, then comment 10K down below in the comment section, and I'll drop a video if there's enough comments. But listen, perhaps the most profound change that happens at 10K isn't in your business. It's in your identity. Because at 10K, people stop calling you lucky, and you stop calling yourself a beginner. Family members who used to ask when you were going to get a real job start then asking you for business advice. You go from being someone who's testing products to someone who's building a real brand. From surviving to optimizing. From student to leader. I remember the first time someone asked me for advice about starting their own dropshipping business. It was my cousin who had watched me struggle for months, making barely any money. Then out of nowhere, suddenly, I was making more in a month than he made all year at his corporate job. And you see, the crazy part wasn't that he asked for advice. It was that I actually had legitimate advice to give. I wasn't just repeating stuff that I heard in YouTube videos anymore. At this point, I had real experience, real data, and real results to show. That's when it hit me. I wasn't pretending to be an entrepreneur anymore. At this point, I actually was one. This identity shift is crucial because it then changes how you see problems and opportunities. Before 10K, every challenge felt like a threat that might end your business. But after 10K, challenges become puzzles to solve and opportunities to grow. When Facebook changed their algorithm and my ad costs went up, pre-10K AC would have panicked and maybe quit. Post-10K AC though, he saw it as a chance to get better at organic marketing and email campaigns. When a supplier raised their prices, pre-10K AC would have freaked out about profit margins. Post-10K AC though, used it as motivation to find better suppliers and negotiate volume discounts. You see the constant pattern here. You stop being reactive and you start being proactive. You stop seeing yourself as a victim of circumstances and you start seeing yourself as the architect of your own success. This identity shift also affects how you present yourself to others. Your confidence in business meetings, networking events, even casual conversations change. People can sense that you're not just someone with a hobby anymore. You're someone running a real business. And here's where it gets really interesting. Other successful entrepreneurs start treating you differently too. They're more willing to share opportunities, introduce you to their networks, or collaborate with you on projects because you've proven that you can execute, not just dream. But here's perhaps the biggest overall change beyond money that 10K gets you. You start thinking differently about problems in general. When your car breaks down, instead of panicking about the expense, you calmly handle it because you have the resources. When opportunities arise that require investment, you can actually act on them instead of just wishing that you could. Your relationships change too. You're less stressed, which makes you a better partner, parent, or friend. You have more time and energy to invest in the people that you care about because you're not constantly grinding just to survive. Your health improves too because you can afford better food, gym memberships, or medical care. You can invest in personal development as well. Courses, coaching, books, because education becomes an investment, not just an expense. This is why you always hear the rich get richer. Because once you have all the resources, you then have something called compound interest back behind you, where everything that you're putting effort into is then doubling, tripling, and quadrupling faster than anybody in normal position would be without the resources. But perhaps most importantly, the biggest thing is you start thinking bigger. 10K isn't the ceiling anymore, it's the floor. You begin setting goals that would have seemed impossible when you were just making $100 a day. And instead of asking yourself, well, what if? You'll start asking when. When will I hit 100K? When should I start another store? And so on and so forth. Fundamentally, you start to believe in yourself on a way deeper level because money is no longer the constraint of your business, it's time. And these aren't just dreams anymore. They're strategic possibilities based off of proven systems and real momentum. I've watched students use their dropshipping success as a springboard into real estate investing, building software companies, or creating multiple streams of income. Because once you prove to yourself that you can build one successful business, building others becomes so much easier. Now, you might be thinking, AC, this all sounds amazing, but how do I actually get there? How do I break through to that first 10K? Well, here's the brutal truth. Most people watching this video will never hit 10K. Not because they're not capable, but because they're trying to figure out everything alone. They'll watch countless YouTube videos, buy random courses, and waste months testing the wrong products with the wrong strategies. While you're struggling to piece together information from free content, your potential competitors are working with mentors who've already walked the path. They're getting personalized feedback on their stores, their ads, and their strategies. And they're avoiding the costly mistakes that bankrupt beginners and getting to 10K months faster than people going at it alone. That's exactly why I created my comprehensive one-on-one mentorship program. This isn't about giving you more information. It's about giving you a proven system, plus the personal guidance to implement it correctly, where you'll get weekly one-on-one personalized coaching calls, 7-day-a-week chat support for all your questions, access to my private community of successful students, step-by-step implementation plans customized to your situation, and even 13 group calls a week where I personally review your campaigns, products, and so much more. But I want to be clear that this program is not for everyone. I only work with action takers who are serious about building a real business, not collecting more courses, no matter their experience level. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start building, the link to apply is in the description below. Let me just say spots are limited because we work closely with each student to ensure their success. And with that said, here's the final takeaway I want you to remember. 10K isn't the dream. It's the beginning to all your future success. Most people give up before they hit it, but if you can cross that line, everything changes. Your confidence, your lifestyle, and your identity all shift in ways that compound and accelerate your success. The people who understand this, they don't slow down when they hit 10K. They double down. They reinvest, they scale, they build systems that can then handle 10X growth. And if you found this video motivating enough to get started, then check out my full guide to starting dropshipping. Because now that you have the mindset in place, all you have to do is take action on the right things, which I cover completely in this video. You should see it on the screen right now, but I've also linked it in the description below. So I'll see you there. This is AC with Supreme Ecom, and I'm out.